Right, I've got fractions and percentages now, so it's critical that we know these. There are 200 counters in a bag, and the counters are blue, red, or yellow. 35% are blue. So let's just go straight away to that. So to get 10% of 200 divided by 10, so that gives me 20. To get 5% and then half that value to get 10. I'm then going to decide to go for 3 of these because that'll give me 30%. So 30% is 60. And then add my 30% and my 5% together to give me 70. So that's the blue sorted. So we've got that many blue. I'll write that up here. So 70 in there. We're also told a fifth, the red. Well, a fifth, the line means divide. So all we do is take the 200, divide it by 5 to get a fifth, which is 40. So then red is 40. So how many yellow then? Well, if we add the 40 and the 70 together, that gives 110. So then yellow must be 90. Petra booked a family holiday. The total cost of the holiday was £3,500 plus VAT at 20%. So let's do that. 10% is £350. Double that then gives you £700, sorry. And then we're going to add that on to the original value. So that then gives us the total cost of the holiday being £4,200. Now we're told that Petra paid £900 the total cost when she booked the holiday. Work out the rest of the total cost in equal monthly payments. So work out in monthly payments. So if we take the £900 off, so no, borrow 1 from the 3, gives you 3. So 3,300. And she did that with 6 equal payments, so we're dividing by 6. 6 into 3 goes none, carry 3. 6 into 33 goes 5, carry 3. 6 into 30 goes 5. And then we've got 6 into 0 is 0. So that's then £550 monthly repayments. We've now got there are 120 bricks in a box. The bricks are red, blue or green. So red, blue or green. A third of red. So we've got a third are red. So that's equal to 120 divided by 3 because the line means divide. That gives us 40. So we've now got 40 are red. From there then we've got a quarter are blue. So 120 divided by 4 is 30. So blue is 30. How many are green then? Well, if we add up the 40 and the 30, that gives us 70. So then there's 50 left to make it up to a sum of 120. We've then got an interest question. The smallest thing on the blooming sheet, you can hardly read it. So we've got here's information about 2 investments. So we've got A first, let's work that one out. Invest £2,400 for 3 years and get £8 each month. So 3 years, £8 in a month. So which is the better investment? So we've got 3 years, we'll times that by 12 to get months, that's 36 months. So it's then 36 times by 8. So there's different methods to work this out. I personally prefer the Napier's Bohms, I call it. So 6 times 8 is 48, 3 times 8 is 24, 4 and 4 is 8, and then 2. So this then gives us £288. Investment B, invest the same amount of money, choose a different colour, for 3 years at the rate of 3.5% simple interest. So that just means work out 3.5% and add it on 3 times. So I'm going to tell you that 10% divided by 10 gives you 240. 1% then is 24. So half a percent, half again is 12. So if I do 3 lots of that to get me 3%, 3 lots of 24 is 72. Then added on my 12 is 84. So that's for 1 year. Now we want 3 years. So 84 times by 3. Well, 3 8 is 240. So we've got 252. So what I then do is underline this, underline that, and then which one is better? then you would say, I'll just put this at the top in blue, A is better, and because it's a star question, you say about how much. So we're going from 252 to 288, so that's £36 better by £36.